So you have a GoPro Hero 8 Black and you want to know how to change the time on the screensaver, or in other words, it's basically a screen timeout. So for example, if I had the screensaver on 1 minute and I go ahead and record a video and I don't touch it for exactly 1 minute, what happens is the screen's going to turn dim and it's going to turn black. And then if I wanted to turn the screen back on, I would have to tap on it for it to come back on. Okay. Anyways, let me show you how to get here. Very, very simple. So what you want to do is you want to go to Preferences. So just turn your GoPro on, and then from the top you want to swipe down. So top, you want to swipe down, and now we want to tap on Preferences right there. And now you want to go down to where it says Touchscreen. Tap on Touchscreen, and then we want to go down to where it says Screensaver. By default, I think it's on 1 or 2 minutes. However, you can go all the way down to never if you wish. Okay, I actually have mine on never as well. So pretty simple. Hope that helped you out. Good luck.